Thank you so much, Eric. That was a really wonderful and informative program. So
Thank you.
how can Artis Senior Living support you? So if you have a loved one with dementia, Alzheimer's, or you're really seeing some form of cognitive decline in your loved one, and maybe they haven't been formally diagnosed, I highly recommend getting a diagnosis, going to a neurologist, or going to your, primary care physician and asking them who they would recommend to have your loved one assessed by. It's just a really important step. I'm happy to have a phone discussion about caring for a loved one with dementia. I'm happy to answer questions. And we can easily schedule a virtual tour, and you can do that from the comfort of your home. And what's really nice about that is I work with families all the time. And it's really important to be ahead of the curve instead of being behind it when there's a crisis and all of a sudden you need to figure out what your options are for mom or dad. We excel and are experts in care for our residents with cognitive decline, be it dementia or Alzheimer's, or perhaps as a result of a stroke or something like that. We hope you can join us for our next educational program. And if you can go to the next slide. And this is going to be called 5 Simple Steps for a Less Stressful Holiday Season While Caregiving. And you can feel free to contact me at the information that was on the previous slide. I'm also going to pop it into the chat box here. And thank you so much, Eric. This has been a super informative program. And thank you all for joining us.
Thank you, Patty. This has been wonderful. Thank you for the opportunity. And I notice I can see the participant number at least, and I know that it hasn't declined at all during the presentation. So it seems that there's a bit of interest, and I really, really and truly appreciate that. Thank you so much. And thanks, Clelia.